got Deep Dive with Scott coming up on Friday.
He's doing all sorts of CircuitPython operating system stuff.
Speaking of
Python
on hardware news this week, do check out the newsletter at Adafruit Daily. We give a bon voyage to Jeff Epler, who's retiring, and we go into a whole bunch of Python on hardware news, including Zephyr, including a lot of projects that you've maybe seen on the blog, or you could check out the CircuitPython show, or all of the various projects that uses MicroPython, CircuitPython, and Python on things like the Raspberry Pi. But
very inspiring stuff.
The really big news on Python on hardware, at least for us this week, besides all of this stuff, and what were we up to, like 800 boards, some crazy number like that, is the new CircuitPython.org
There's
site.
a new website.
Yeah, so we have a new website.
Should be easier.
Yeah.
More stuff. The code editor is more visible.
Yeah.
We like filter in projects so people can get inspired by what we're building.
Yeah. And you have all the things that you need, from downloads, which all the boards, 601 boards are here, to all the libraries, to Blinka, 146 boards are supported, to code editor, and more. With
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, so it's like you don't even need to use the mass storage.
And you could check out our news. You could check out the awesome list, which has all of the boards, everything you could do with CircuitPython and more. Our documentation, Discord, RSS, and of course, we don't do anything weird. We don't do anything like you have to sign up or like give us any personal information. This is the open source project called CircuitPython. It lives on CircuitPython.org. So good work. Thank you, everyone who's been working on this. All of this news and more can be delivered to your inbox. Every single week, Adafruit Daily. Get it. It's there. You can do it.